drone crop duster in Fairfield, Iowa. This looks like a DJI T30 agricultural drone. It can spray 50 acres an hour. The drone flight is autonomous except for the landing and takeoff. And here the pilot is controlling the landing. The battery lasts about 8 to 20 minutes depending on the weight. Here the pilot is changing the battery. He has to change the battery every 15 to 20 minutes, and then he refills the tank with the pesticides. It takes 9 to 12 minutes to recharge a battery. And if he has 3 batteries, then he can keep the drone operating continuously, because while the drone's out, he recharges the other 2 batteries. This drone costs up to $33,000. Battery costs $2,000. Now here he's getting ready to take off. He has a remote controller in his hand. The drone can carry up to 110 pounds. There, he started the drone up. Now he's got the remote controller. He'll take off using that remote control. And then once he gets it in the air, he sets it on automatic flight, autonomous flight. So the drone goes back and forth across the field in a pattern and sprays the whole field over time. The drone flies about 6 feet above the corn, and that reduces the chance of overspray. Airplanes fly a lot higher and there's more overspray. There's a lot of built-in safety and navigation features in this drone. There it's spraying the pesticide, and you can see it's pretty close to the corn. Airplane would be a lot higher and there'd be more overspray. The wind could blow it further. And this drone was flying at night, and the FAA allows for night flights. You have to have navigation lights visible for 3 miles. And as I was filming, he was filming way in past 10 o'clock at night, so he could have been there for quite a few hours after dark. Maybe it's flying at night because there's less wind blowing and less other airplanes flying around. Okay, thanks for watching.